everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tabon, and today this is my first episode of the HTML and CSS playlist where I'll be teaching you the wonderful language of the main language used for web development. HTML and CSS, which is used for styling, and HTML is the base. Okay, so today we will be setting up our learning environment, which is how you will learn how to code. So let's download an IDE, which is what we're going to code on. So I recommend code.visualstudio.com or just Visual Studio Code, which is what I recommend at least. You don't have to do it, but I recommend it. It's good. Okay. And now, we'll be learning how to code. No, we won't be learning how to code today, actually. I'm going to show you to set up your file and how to do that. After you download Visual Studio Code, you will want to make a file. You could, if you're on Windows device, you could click go to desktop, and then you click new folder, and you could call it whatever you want. I just call it HTML/CSS. You could call it learn coding, or whatever you want. Okay, so now after you do that, you might want to open the folder. Click open folder, and then after you do that, it will bring up the folder. It'll say its name. You won't have any files in it. If you click the arrow and then click new file, name it index.html, enter, and then you would have your first file that you're going to write your code in. And now all you have to do is click make an exclamation point, and then tab. And you got all this code already written in for you, which I think is cool. And depending on what device you're on, I said I'm on Windows, so to save, I click Control S on Mac or any Apple device. I think you click Command S to save. Okay, now we just got the basic of, we just made our index HTML file, which is where all the HTML will go. But I said we're learning about HTML and CSS, so we need a CSS file too. So let's click new file again, style.css, and there we have it. We have our style CSS folder. If you have a hashtag, then you're on the right track. Don't try to get it. You might have put a space, but all that really matters, you don't have to put style. You can put whatever else name you want, but at the end it has to be .css. Okay, let's go to the HTML file again. The CSS and HTML aren't connected, which is why we need to connect them with this special code. In the header tag, you can put it before or after the title tag. Click not HTML. You click link, type link, and look for link : CSS. And now you already have it printed out. You already have style CSS connected. And if you want to save. If you want to save, you click save. Do the shortcut for save, depending on what device you're on. And before we end the video, I'm going to tell you one handy thing that will help you look at your code. Go to View, scroll to Extensions. You can do if you're on Windows, you can do Control-Shift-X. I think on Apple, you can do Command-Shift-X. After you click it, type in live server, enter, and I already have this downloaded. Live server and it should say Ritwick Day, and which is where you can look at your code on a web browser. Like I recommend Chrome. Okay, after you download that, it won't take long. It should take a few seconds. Right click on your mouse, open with live server. And there you have it. It says index.html since that's our file, and this is probably what it's going to say for you. Just some numbers. I think that's an IP address. Yeah. And yeah, that is all we're going to do today. It's pretty simple, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time, which is where we will be learning all the header tags and paragraph tags. So yeah, thank you. Bye. But before I let you go, please smash the subscribe button with all your might and punch the like button. That's all you need to do. Well, maybe you don't want to smash or punch it. Just click it. That's all I am asking for. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. And bye.